Welcome guys, so today I am with this Amazon speaker and I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of this device. That's very simple. As you can see, I'm currently successfully connected with my smartphone, and to perform the hard reset you have to click and hold two buttons. The first one, it will be the power button, and the second one, it will be play and the pause button. You have to click and hold it until you will hear the notification sound, and this line will start blinking on the red and the white. So take a look how to make it. Click and hold these two buttons together. Right now can
ready to pair. Go to the pairing menu on your device.
As you can see, right now the device is ready to pair, so it means that our currently connection was just forget for the device. Of course, it's still on our phone. You have to forget and then just go back, click to pair new device and select your speaker one more time. So if you have any connection problem with this speaker, I can recommend you to make this hard reset method by using these two buttons. That's very simple. If you find it helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.